Welcome to Social Work Updates. In this video, we are going to talk about community organization as a problem-solving method. The community is the client in the community organization approach. Community organization is responsible for resolving community issues and meeting community needs. Many community issues, such as social injustice, poverty, insufficient housing, poor nutrition, lack of health, lack of medical services, unemployment, pollution, exploitation, bonded labor, illicit dowry, female infanticide, women and children trafficking, drug trafficking, and so on, can be addressed through community organizing. There are three essential factors to issue solving in general. These are the stages of research, diagnosis, and treatment. The problem must first be investigated. To do so, we'll need to gather information on the problem. We must determine the major causes based on the information gathered. This is referred to as diagnosis. A remedy is developed based on the findings, or diagnosis, and is referred to as treatment. This model is referred to as a medical model since doctors examine patients to determine the reasons of sickness and then prescribe treatment or medications based on their findings. A concept like this might be used to organize a community. Problems can only be solved through the participation of people, who mobilize resources to solve them. Hence, community organization as a problem-solving strategy is the most successful technique for resolving community issues. People in one location, for example, suffer from a lack of water for their agriculture. Watersheds can be created and groundwater levels can be raised with the help of the community organizer and people's participation. Water conserved throughout the rainy season can assist individuals in continuing to cultivate their land. The entire village's difficulty is water for irrigation and drinking, which can be remedied utilizing the community organization technique. For the following, the community organization approach is used. Number 1. To meet the needs of a community and to bring about and sustain adjustments between requirements and resources. Number 2. Assisting individuals in efficiently dealing with difficulties and devising plans to achieve their goals by assisting them in developing, strengthening, and maintaining qualities such as participation, self-direction, and cooperation. Number 3. Changing community and group interactions, as well as the distribution of decision-making authority. And number 4. The community's resources are identified and utilized to address community issues. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more social work updates, please watch and like the video, hit the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel.